here's the recipe for the macaroni and cheese. So I use 1 box of elbow pasta, 3 blocks of sharp cheddar cheese. When I grated the cheese, I separated each block onto its own plate. Okay, and I'll let you know why as we continue along. So once your pasta is done, you want to season with salt, pepper. I added half of a container of sour cream, which is about 4 ounces, 1 plate of cheese, which is 1 block of cheese. Mix that together, put it to the side. For the cheese sauce, I used a 16-ounce container of heavy cream, 1 block of cheese, and 4 ounces of Velveeta. Okay, you want to let that melt down. You can season with salt and pepper. That's all I use throughout the whole process, salt, pepper. Okay, so once the cheese melts, you want to go ahead and pour that all over the pasta and mix it in well. Okay, and the last step is going to be to top the macaroni with that last block of cheese. Add a little paprika for color and parsley flakes just to make it look pretty. Put it in the oven on 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. That works for me. It comes out perfect every time. And yeah, your macaroni should look like this. I guarantee you are going to love this recipe. If you give it a try, let me know. I promise you, it's so delicious. All right, peace, y'all.
I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with mac and cheese, and this is my family's go-to recipe. Let me show you how it's done. Start off by boiling some macaroni noodles, and once those are fully cooked, we are going to add some butter to a skillet, and we're going to melt it down. Add in about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and give it a whisk. From there, we're going to add in a bit of salt, and then we're going to add 2 cups of milk. Next, we're going to add in some shredded cheese, and we're going to give it a stir until it's completely melted. Next, we are going to use the secret ingredient, some cream cheese, just to give it an extra creamy texture. Next, add in those cooked noodles and give it a stir. We're going to top it with more shredded cheese just to make this the cheesiest mac and cheese you have ever had. Throw it in the oven and cook it until the cheese is nice and bubbly. And there you have it, the perfect Thanksgiving mac and cheese.
Today we're making mac and cheese. Boil your pasta in some salted water. I'm using a 3/4 cup of elbow macaroni. Once your pasta is done, drain the water. Add the pasta back into the original pot and add a little bit of butter, a little bit of half and half or milk. I add half and half because I like it to be creamier, and stir. And then add whatever cheese you'd like. I'm using cheddar and Gouda. I think that's how you say it. And then just stir until all your cheese is melted. This is optional, but I like to add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I added a little bit of pepper. Then once that's all done, put it into a bowl of your choice. And then add some breadcrumbs on top. I like to use panko. And then sprinkle a little more cheese on top. Then put this in the oven to broil on high for a few minutes until the top turns golden brown. Once it's done, take it out of the oven and enjoy.